Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome once again to Forex Clubhouse. So today I'm going to show you step by step on how you can analyze Volatility 75 Index, or commonly known as VIX 75 Index. To make it more interesting, I'm going to explain to you the simplest ways that you need to do in the markets so that you too can become a profitable trader just like me. And for those with no personal computers to do the analysis on, do not worry at all. With this strategy that I'm about to show you, what is only required from you is just a simple smartphone and of course a notebook and a pen. Ladies and gentlemen, I hope that you're all ready to both enjoy and take some notes. As usual, before anyone decides to take any given trade, you must first be able to know the current state at which the market price is actually at. So what does this statement actually mean? That you have to know the current state at which the market price. What does this statement mean? Well, it just simply means that you have to make sure you always never forget to look at the bigger picture of the market. And you as the witness, I'm sure that you can see that I started today's analysis on a daily time frame. And from this daily time frame, by taking a quick look at the left, I see that the market price is on or soon approaching the daily support zone that has not been tested since last year. And by last year, I mean 2021 on July. And I'm sure that it is really a long time. So by that, it makes this support to be a very strong one. So what's a strong support? You may wonder, what makes a strong support and what makes a weak support? So according to my own definition, a strong support is the one that has not been tested multiple times. And believe me, with many years of experience in the market, this definition, it is a very true one indeed. If you have any doubt with this definition, stay on the charts for as many years as I and I'm sure that you will just come into like times. So without wasting time, I draw my support zone as follows. Then afterwards, I mark the numbers that would potentially be my stop loss in case the market decides to go against my analysis for a number of reasons with this simple red horizontal line commonly known as to the forex traders as a ray line. Afterwards, the next step is to go to the lower time frame, particularly the 4-hour time frame, to look for the areas that may be within the potential to be taken as take profit areas, just in case I decide to take sell entries on this pair right now. You may be wondering as why am I wasting a lot of time to do this and that instead of going straight forward to buy or sell the pair? Well, the answer to that question, it is very simple. I'm going to answer to you in the most brief way as possible and simplest way, of course. Before any one of you out there decide to take any given trade from any pair in the market, please make sure that you define your risk first and see to it that the risk reward ratio is always equal to or more than 1:2. This it is very important, as it is this the only way that you will become a profitable trader in the coming days. Even when you take 10 trades, let's say for example you take 10 trades and 5 of them are losers, 5 of them are winners. If you do the mathematics, you will still be in profits, and in the long time, if you go consistently like that, you will become a profitable trader. That's why I always recommend that to go for more than 1:2 risk reward ratio. If you haven't understood any of the statements, then feel free to hit me up in the comment section so that I may elaborate more to you specifically. Now please take this time to note the following. We have started today's analysis on a daily time frame, then we came to the 4-hour time frame, and now we are going to take our entry at 1-hour time frame only after our last confirmation has been made. Now by looking closely at the candlesticks, can you be able to guess the last minute confirmation that I was talking about? Well, to save some bit of time, let me explain to you in a simple way. The formation of these candlesticks with weak rejections gives us an important piece of information that you also need to know. So this long wick rejection made by this candle at the support region. Let me repeat this statement again. The wick rejection, the long one that you are seeing on the screen, made by this candle at the support region. This statement carries a lot of importance. The wick rejections has to occur on a high value area, not just anywhere, on a high value area. And it just confirms that the buyers are actually getting weaker and that the bears are soon going to take over the market. So without wasting any more time, and since all of my conferences have been met, then I enter my trades instantly as follows.
People who don't know what thirst is. I've had a taste of evil and tried to cure the sickness, but I just keep my head down and focus on.
And ladies and gentlemen, please do forgive me as I forgot to explain to you the last confirmation for I to take this trade. Okay, please forgive me for that. Now here, let me zoom in first so as to make it more clear to you. Can anyone tell me in the comment section what kind of pattern that you are seeing on the screen right now? And this pattern, it's a very common one and it's a very profitable one. Can anyone tell me in the comment section what kind of pattern that you are seeing on the screen right now? Well, since I'm in love with you guys, let me answer that question for you. My eyes personally see a double top pattern. And according to the books, such pattern is a seller pattern, or technically termed as a reversal pattern. And of course, it just makes so much sense since the market was previously on uptrend for buys. I'm sure that you can agree with me on that. So that one was one of the most important confirmation that I forgot to mention to you earlier when doing the analysis. Having said so, ladies and gentlemen, take this time to observe afterwards how price action did play out to our goal, and hoping that on the way while watching this, you will both enjoy and learn a lot from this video.
Yeah, we're just getting started. I know that you want it, baby, just get on it, ready to go. We know how to party, pull out the Bacardi, feel it in my body, put on a show. Yeah, let's go. Nah, we ain't never gonna slow down. All the girls looking hot like a hoe down. Everybody going off in my hometown, ready for a showdown. Keep it on the low now. We about to pop off like a bottle. Everybody knows that we're going full throttle. Drinking alcohol, yeah, straight from the nozzle. End of the night, end up horizontal. They know they want something more. They know they want something more. They've never heard us before. They've never heard us before. A sound that's hard to ignore. A sound that's hard to ignore. It's time to even the score. Everybody like the